Hello all the Warhammer fans, welcome back to Playing Error. Last time we reviewed the stunning Blood Angel Sanguinius figure, and we received such great responses and support from all of you. Thanks a lot. Today we're going to review another incredibly popular series by JOYTOY, Ultramarines Space Marine 2 figures. Have any of you played the video game Space Marine 2? The scenes where these warriors battle the Tyranids are just super exciting. Let's get right into the unboxing. Space Marine 2 are Lieutenant Titus, Sergeant Gabriel, and Brother Charon. Each box contains the figure itself, an alternate helmeted head, 4 interchangeable hands, a robotic arm for Charon, a jetpack, weapon set for each character, a product instruction booklet, which we'll look at later, and a stand. The colors are vibrant and true to the characters, enhancing the overall authenticity. The paintwork and decorations are realistic, capturing intricate details that reflect the original armor design from the gameplay. Now, let's take a closer look at the figures. One of the standout features is their flexibility. The heads can rotate a full 360 degrees, and you can easily switch them out with the alternate helmeted heads. Just look at how well the robotic arm of Charon is represented. The figure's limbs are designed for full articulation, allowing for fluid movement. Each joint provides a wide range of motion, enabling you to pose the figure in various dynamic positions. Thanks Titus and Chiron for the demonstration. And check this out, the facial expressions are incredibly detailed. You can see the scars, wrinkles, and service studs on Titus. It really adds to the character's depth and makes them feel so lifelike. The jetpack on the back can be changed, allowing you to customize your display even further. The overall performance of these figures is outstanding. They truly feel real to life, and it's no surprise they're so popular among the Warhammer 40k fans. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Playing Error for more exciting content. See you next time.